The purpose of the pigeon stretch is to elongate the hip muscles that have become tight. It is one of our favorite stretches when it comes down to the hips and low back. Start in a tabletop position. Step your left leg over your right and sit back into the stretching. Try to bring your belly to the thigh while maintaining a neutral, straight spine. The knees should be pointed towards your nose. If you're performing this correctly, you should feel an ache and a stretch at the side of the hip. In order to increase this stretch, try to level your hips while sitting back into the move. Now it's your turn. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.